Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Innisfree Jeju range. Three products I am going to review. Those are Jeju Orchid Skin Toner, Jeju Eye Cream, Jeju Sleeping Mask. Here is the first product, Jeju Orchid Skin Toner. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. This toner suits to my skin. Didn't give me any irritation, no tingling, nourishing formula. I can smell the overwhelming, astringent, alcoholic kind of fragrance. Totally annoying. Don't know whether it's natural or artificial, but I didn't like. The consistency is watery, get absorbed into the skin well, little bit hydrating, normal toner. Don't expect glass skin or too much. Okay, kind of product. Second product is Jeju Orchid Eye Cream. This is packed with orchid extract, hyaluronic acid, heavy duty nourishing formula, thick gel cream consistency, and get absorbed well into the skin. Suits to eye area, no irritation, no burning. Like the product, it reduces the dryness and hence the wrinkles if you apply it on a regular basis. Here is the third product, Jeju Orchid Sleeping Mask. Suits to my skin, no irritation, heavy nourishing formula. I like the product, but I will suggest to use this in winter season at night only. Good quality, but this one also didn't give any glass skin, so don't expect much, but okay kind of product. You can try this product once. If you have also tried this orchid line, Jeju orchid line, then do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and you can share your review which Innisfree products you like. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.